pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange DEX built on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). It is one of the largest DEX in the world. With over $40 billion in total value locked TVL, pancakeswap allows users to trade BEP-20 tokens, which are tokens that are native to the BSC. pancakeswap uses an automated market maker and model to facilitate trades. This means that there are no order books, and trades are instead executed against liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are created by users who deposit their tokens into the pool and receive liquidity provider LP tokens in return. LP tokens represent the user's share of the liquidity pool, and they are entitled to a portion of the trading fees generated by the pool. pancakeswap offers a variety of features, including token swapping. Users can swap any to BEP-20 tokens on pancakeswap. Liquidity pools. Users can deposit their tokens into liquidity pools to earn trading fees. Yield farming. Users can stake their LP tokens in yield farms to earn cake, the native token of pancakeswap. Staking. Users can stake their cake tokens to earn more cake. Lotteries. Users can buy tickets for lotteries to win cake and other prizes. Non-fungible tokens and NFTs. pancakeswap also has a marketplace for NFTs. pancakeswap is a popular choice for users who want to trade BEP-20 tokens quickly and cheaply. It is also a good choice for users who want to earn passive income by providing liquidity too. Liquidity pools